Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to stop Windows 11 updates permanently. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a search box and type a services. Open a services, right click run as administrator and scroll down and find out a Windows update. First of all, open a Windows update, and now you can see that it's selected automatic. So click on a disable it, click on apply, and after doing this step, go to your recovery options and make sure that the first failure is selected or take no action. If you're not selected, then when you restart your computer, the service is automatically restarted. So make sure that the first failure is selected or take no action. After doing this step, click on apply button. Now general selection is disabled. Click on OK button. After doing this step, close it. After that, once again go to your search menu and type a edit group policy. Go to your edit group policy, and after doing this step, select the administrative templates and expand it. After doing this step, select the templates. Sorry, after that find out selected Windows components and expand it. After doing this task, go down and find out a Windows update. Now you can see that a Windows update. So selected it, and after doing this task, selected a manage and user experience. Double click open it, and now you can see that a configure automatic updates. So double click and open it, and the disable the configures. Select a disable, click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, go back, close the group policy editor and close it. And after doing this step, restart your computer, and after doing this step, your Windows update permanently disabled. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.